Hi, it's Ms. Todoric, and I want to go over the 6 levels of memberships. So I did a few changes, minor changes. The first level is shout out. So for 99 cents, I'm going to give you a shout out to your channel. I'm also going to include an additional perk, which I'm going to do website shout out. So over here, you're going to go to www.misstodoric.com, and then you're going to click on shout outs, and then you're going to see the list of all my current shout outs. So I'm going to update that monthly. Why is that? Okay. Click on, and it's going to be like the second tab in from the homepage. All right. So, and then you're just going to go to website to check that out. Perfect. So we're going to add that. The second level, we have Microsoft Excel and Word. That's going to stay the same. These are all walkthroughs with TestOut Pro Certified Microsoft Excel and the entire program Microsoft Word. So we have those two for $3.99. The next level up, we have Cert Master. This is $4.99. And I deleted Hacker and also Cyber. So I'm going to edit this. This is going to be called Cert Master / so any cyber or hacker course videos. These are just explanation. There's not really the full walkthrough. So don't expect too much on this one. All right. And also with the other ones, the only full walkthrough course is TestOut Office Pro. So I will show you step by step, and that includes all content and the certification exam. So we're talking Microsoft Excel, Word, Access, even the first 2 chapters, and what else? And I think there's PowerPoint as well. So you have all the programs and full complete walkthroughs. So I show you step by step as opposed to just showing you like an answer key as far as like this is how to do it and you're on your own. So that's pretty much all the other courses with Test Out. Unless it says full walkthrough, then you should expect that full walkthrough. So this is just the explanation. You're on your own. There might be 1 or 2 full walkthroughs mixed in, but don't expect it at all. All right, so that's $19.99, and there's a lot of like questions. It just pretty much gives you the answers. If it's like a multiple choice, sometimes they have like little quizzes or stuff like that. All right, so that's test out explanation only. These are the other courses: PC Pro, the playlist, routing and switching, Cert Master Learn playlist, uh, and then it's pretty much every playlist that I have access to except the Office Pro. Office Pro is this is over like 200 videos, and this is the full walkthroughs, as well as the entire test out. This is like an hour-long certification exam. You'll see that I pass it, and I go over just about everything on that exam. Lastly, this is something new. I don't really share my personal life or my income, all my side hustles that I do. So I added this personal section this is probably the highest, $4.99.99, and you'll hear me share crazy stories of the teaching profession, whether I got fired or laid off from jobs, what happened, my story, just stating the facts, different side hustles. Like I've done Avon, I'll share GrubHub, I've done Uber Eats, ways that helped me and how I promoted my business, whether it's making business cards or how to do like website. I will share my YouTube income, my journey on YouTube, how I first got monetized, the process, where, memberships, how much I was making and what particular level of memberships exactly. So you'll see spreadsheets, whether it's 99 cents on Shoutout, how many members are on $4.99, how many members are on $49.99, and the monthly income and how much I've made in total given my entire YouTube career. So I will definitely share a ton of personal. I will give you the one-on-one chat. You can meet me. I'll do like once a month meets where you can meet myself and in person. What else we have? And then I'll also stream like nightlife videos of New York City when I go out and stuff like that. So any personal questions, everything you'll find that under personal, whether it's career related or just my personal life. And I hope you subscribe. Continue watching my content. I appreciate all my shout out members and all these categories, all these members. I truly appreciate you watching the channel. Thank you so much. I'm always trying new things. I encourage any suggestions, changes, things to just make my channel a little bit better. And thank you. Thank you so much. Hope you're enjoying your summer. And till next time. All right.